we would like to celebrate you all, but we have a special artist who'd like to do it in words. So we've given you different aspects of entertainment tonight. We've taken you through different genres of music. We've given you the artists. Yes, indeed, this is all performing art, visual and on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you a very special artist. He's going to deliver it in words. Put your hands together and welcome the great ladies and gentlemen, Amaziyah.
Thank you very much. Host, I see you doing the most. I present my book to you. Maximum respect. It's a pleasure being here. I'm from here, Queen mode, win some, tell me for beard and put on my clean clothes. Big up to all these women that get these awards and these roads. Tell them precisely, I'm trotting from Rhode Island to Florida. Yes, these roads. Blessings and respect to all queens and all the awardees. Julie Mango, big respect in every aspect. And all you phenomenal people here tonight. This one is called You'll Be Okay. You are remarkable. You are strong. You are one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you'll never go wrong. You are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moment, you experienced pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused, but be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. And if you're feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied, fret not, for God already sent an angel to be a travel guide. You'll be okay, okay? Just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, you'll be the strongest you ever feel. You are remarkable. You are sweet. So trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more. You'll be okay. Ladies, forget about them who will not believe in you because you got no time to play. You all are fighters, survivors who resist to quit. Ladies, you are loved, you are goddesses. You all deserve lifetime happiness. Blessings and respect. One more before I go. So, may I have to say hats off to Winsome Green. She's doing an amazing job, and I know met her at the International Reggae and World Music Award where I was nominated Best Poet. And since then she treat me like family, she and Morphid. You get me? Nicole, big up yourself in every aspect. This one is for everybody. There's absolutely nothing wrong in you asking the wrong questions. What makes it correct is when you've been provided with the right answers. Nothing wrong in you making mistakes. In this case, what makes it great is when you learn from your errors and elevate. Penetrate and meditate on the great things you desire to achieve in life. Separate yourself from people who want to see you thrive. Realize life is no bed of roses or a smooth pathway. There are earnings to overcome their bitterness and harsh days. There'll be moments of sadness and grief, and there'll be moments of happiness make you feel like you want to laugh all day. During your first heartbreak, you probably yelled at yourself in the mirror, I can't take this no more. No joking, perhaps you'll be smoking or consuming alcoholic substances like you've never done before. It's like your entire world keep crumbling. While you're grumbling, why have you done this to me? Nothing wrong in crying, expressing your emotions. No need for fightings or commotions. We were educated poorly about love. Ignorance is like an addiction and will mess you up like drugs. What makes it wrong is when you allow your negative thoughts to become your actions. So think first and allow time to heal you. Nothing wrong in giving spaces or letting go if it not work out for me the best. Think about it, probably that to cause distress. Nothing wrong in you seeking advice or counsel when you really need help. Someone really love you, don't continue to blame yourself. And after you overcome the dark phase, you'll be the stronger version of self. And you will learn to love and appreciate your very own existence. In life, we encounter challenges, tackle something new. Nothing wrong in taking risks as entrepreneurs do. If no one believes in what you're passionate about, with some at least you believe in you. And that's where it all started, for your dreams to come true. And nothing wrong if you fail at first, it's all a part of the game. I'm not saying you're the worst, as long as you don't give up, try harder again. Sure, you will prevail. Tomorrow with persistence, my friends, winning is a must. I am Amaziyah the Great, in God I put my trust. Look out and check out my book out, it's called Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Maximum respect, Florida, for having me here tonight. Blessings and respect in every aspect. If you want a copy of my book, I also have, if you need, it's only $20. Blessings in every aspect. Big up.
Great! Thank you so much. Awesome sauce.